what is the mind and how does it relate to this enormous, vast universe? Is it separate? Is it together? And is the mind the universe? Like, and how does it relate to all of the evolution that we were talking about over the last week, that the sort of timeline, and then the idea that we have on one side a past and the some milestones and the evolution, but on the other side we can get to a point where we just utterly, completely dissolve into this. And there is, at that point, there is no past and there is no timeline. There's just this. And this is like the ever present moment. It's like beginning and it's endless. Here we are. And of course, if we dissolve in the time perspective, we dissolve in the space perspective as well. And in that moment when we completely step in, we are in fact the entire universe, and there's nothing separating us from everything. So then the idea of the body and the mind and what is it in that, from that perspective, I've been thinking, and I've also been listening and tuning in and sensing, what does that feel like? How can we step into deep time? How can we become deep time in our practice, in fact, in our experience? It's been, and then of course the idea of like what we think about becomes our experience, or what we expect can actually very much become. So yeah, it blurs everything, becomes very blurs all the boundaries at that point. That